You start doing the hello, Srinidhi, Vivans, switch on. Sanmitra. Oh, what was the home? Hello. Hello. Where is your Bhaiya? Because of him only, now we are the need. He was there. And you lost. She doesn't know what it is. You don't know how to read this also? And then you said, I don't know. You only know. Rohi. Sorry, Rahi, Rohi, what is it? Rahi, no? Okay. Formula all of you learn, all of you take standard. Identity, formula means identities. Those who learned identities, please sit down. Before telling, the only online people not learned. All of you learned the identities now. Vivan.
Yes.
Nobody is telling. One only suggests. All of you learned. One is missing. Vivan, where is your friend here?
I don't know. I first joined at 4:30 only. Then he said there's no science class, and then he said 5:20. So I joined, and he's not joined. I don't know.
See, shout at him. He came down. You ask him why he is late. Okay. Find out. You learn Sanmitra. You learned the formula.
Yes, sir.
Vivan, find out from him why he joined late.
Why did you join late, Anshul?
Sir, I joined the other. I joined the class from the other meeting ID and thought.
You're directly jumping to 10th standard. What? Always you come to 10th standard and come to 9th standard.
No, sir.
Number is changing. Formula learned, Anshul. Identities.
Yes, sir.
All of it. Oh, good. Today, every who is taking money and chiller. All fine now. You'll start. You learn now. Yes. Yes, who is that? Written this, right? You sign. Written. Where those who wanted to write, go and write on the board. Are why not board? You speak now. You can give your girlfriend because she is the beat, you tell any activity. You can know. Yes. Okay. Or learn now. Sure. Let me stand there. You cannot do. And why you join this? Sister, you have come, I come. Go and tell your sister you have come now. I don't, I also that you did not come. One person, but she will come from there. Go on, that you come, she is not there. Go on. I told her she came over here. Then she will be worried now. I will why? Tell that just now only came. Then she will call mommy now. Okay. Right, take a look. Right. Write the identity, take it all together, work will be finished. Huh? You do not tell. You're scared? Yeah. Rahi, go and tell that he is brother. You know what is it? I didn't go and sit there somewhere. Listen, identity, first identity, AQ plus BQ. AQ plus BQ. There are two forms are there, you write what? AQ plus BQ. Two forms are there, write fast. Nobody's cheating now. Second identity. Then what? Now one day I'll give. Then what? Rahi all because of you only. A plus B minus C all square. Do you read A plus B minus C all square? A plus B minus C whole square. That if you know identity, right, there is no identity. Pakka means if it is correct, full mark. If wrong means 0 mark. Written. 1 second is over. Is it 1 second now?
Yes, sir.
Done. Next, third one. Third one. X plus A times X plus B. Time over. Time over. No? And then what? That Rahi, I'll call your mommy. Wait and see. Look at your friend is already written, isn't it? Think till end of the lecture. Okay. Next one. A minus B whole cube. I taught two forms. Both the forms right. A minus B whole cube. People thought, next one. Suhan written everything. Suhan, like a football, I'll kick you. Big mistakes are there. Next one. Completed. Who is that noise telling? Next one. Okay. Simple identity. AQ plus BQ plus CQ. Minus 3x. Hope all of you know. AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC. Return. Who knows? Who says A? No, only recipe. Very well. Learn how to say yes. Nobody says yes. Yes. Okay, thank you. Yes. Huh? A cube minus B cube. Two identities. A cube minus B cube, two identities. Done. Priyanshi, if you said done, tell loudly. So loudly speak now. You're scared of these people, they won't do anything. Okay. Next identity. What will tell? Who's that singing? Smart word. Smart. Then next is what? Okay. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0, there is an identity. If A plus B plus C equal to 0. Hello? Mobile talking to some in the class. Who was there? Mommy, daddy, everyone, during lecture time now. Done? Now, you have 1 minute to write anything you wanted to write. Not completed. 59, 58, 57. That's it. You are learning counting. You do your work. Not to copy from others. If it is not completed, write it. Fifteen seconds more. All of you signed, who are not signed? Rohan and Kavish. Those who are completed, stand up. Those who are completed, stand up. All of you stand up. Put your pen, exchange the books with everything. Exchange the book. Exchange the book. Exchange the book. Open the book and give it. Where it is written. You throwing your book away? You exchange the book. You exchange the book. You exchange the book. You exchange it now. You exchange the book. You exchange. You exchange. You exchange. You exchange. You exchange. All of you got different books. You're not taking your own books now. Okay. First answer AQ plus BQ. There are two answers are there. All of you know I don't need to write also. A plus B whole cube minus 3AB times A plus B. And second answer A plus B times A square minus AB plus B square. If two are correct, two tick mark, one is correct, one tick mark. Nothing is correct. Go two cross. One correct means one tick, one cross. Who is the A? Who did the A? You are making fun of you, no? Now, second one. There is an identity. What is it? Same identity. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB minus 2BC minus 2CA.
Sir, if we have written.
One, if it is completely correct, tick mark. Otherwise, wrong.
If you have wrote C now,
ACA and AC you can write, huh?
in the bracket.
Yes.
Okay, chalega. Hey, hello. If anyone's look at the books and tell do mark means mark will be crossed. Not so excited. Okay. Hey, don't show her. Okay. If she's checking. Those are written this way instead of this one plus 2B times minus C and plus 2 minus C times A. That also will work out. Okay. Next one. This one. All of you know x square plus A plus B times X plus AB. Written all of you. Also one. 200. Checking done. Next one, A minus B whole cube is equal to A cube minus B cube minus 3AB times A minus B. Second form, A cube minus B cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square. Two forms, two tick, one tick, no tick. Okay, over. That also over. Completed. Next one, A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3AB. All of you know the identity now. I don't need to tell. A plus B plus C times A square plus B square plus C square. Minus AB minus BC minus CA. Big cross. Should I repeat? Not required. So for a happy. Next one, A cube minus B cube. Mistakes. A minus B whole cube plus 3AB. Times A minus B. This is the first form. Second form, A minus B times A square plus AB plus B square. Two tick, one tick, no tick. Starting, no tick. Okay. Last one is this one. That is then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3AB. Okay, count the ticks. Count the ticks. Wait. Counting also she will wait. 5. Total count the crosses. Total 10. Mark should be this way. Right. Written. Those are correction done standard. And mark is written standard. Only 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, 5. Remaining still correction going on. That counting there is no. Count. What? She did something.
No, it will.
You put the tick. This is tick now. Put tick mark. The count the tick. So 3 out of 10. You wrote. What is Suhan? 4 marks out of 10. This one 5 out of 10. So exchange the book. Exchange the book. So keep it out there. 3 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Good. Give it to him. No mark. 0. Huh? You don't understand. What you don't understand? Now everything is over. Now you're telling. Stand there. Everything is over. Then now you think I don't understand anything. You should tell me now that I am not able to follow. This is the way to behave. When you are not following, you will say there are 10 questions. I have to repeat everything. Mind your word. You should have said to me, sir, I am not able to find out. Did you tell? Why? This is the way to behave. When it is not doing, I believe I don't know. I'm not like it is now looking over and you are thinking. What is this? Who can understand what is it? Now then that way put cross reach. This is correct. Put tick mark and put full mark. Huh? What? Why? I need your mother's and your brother's signature.
So last answer is minus over.
Huh?
You have a minus over.
Who's that minus? Plus or minus? What do you think? Then what is the problem? Nothing.
Yeah.
So put 9 mark.
But
Because you have a confusion now.
no, but I have taken correct.
Then why minus hoga? It means you think it's wrong now. That is why.
No, but I have.
No. 9.
No.
9 mark. 9 mark. I think where is here? Not studying. Really? Very good. Where is here? How many? More. Sir, check it. Other, huh? Hello? You did not check. I checked. Look here. Where did you take this one? There are 2 places here. Agni, don't do this way. If you are not able, you tell us, or I cannot. You can't understand, you should tell now. You're the only one who is done this way. Now finally I have to come and check this one. What is why these all brackets? What is the down? Address you are writing is not proper. That is it. Then is the question. What one mark? Let's go ahead. Then let's go ahead. 7 of them. Write properly. Should I show the books how they are inserted? All of you, I need both the parents' signature in this identity. Mark. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Hello, I know who marks are all. This did I tell this identity learn and come? What is 10, 9, 10, 9? Write 10. Only get from me, okay? Full time football. I'll call every parent now. Those who got 10 or 9 or 8 standard. All others are not studying. All others standard. What are you doing at home? What if people are doing at home? No time to do. What lot of work is there? Then even today 4:15 onwards you're sitting and learning only now. Write and learn. Sir, so no, I'm not agreeing with you. Please recheck and say. I will not recheck. First of all, if I recheck means -5 I'll put. Your things are not there. Where why you need to put everywhere this way bracket a minus d whole cube plus 3 a minus b. This way you have to put a bracket is required. What was there? Required, right? Why this bracket is required? Is there anyone need this bracket is required? Huh? Also, that is wrong now. I got 1 mark from that also. Simply everywhere, then that girl could not read also yours now. I still like it 7 mark now. Then they have to recheck. Call your sister. Come. I'm sorry. Sit down. Everyone, I need a parent signature. Not this way. What the parents? I need your brother's Chinmay signature also. Yes, sir. I need tell him to come to meet me next day. Is cricket only now? I will make cricket to play over here. Without learn, you think the people without learning identity you can do? Anyone? Is there any trick is there without learning identity? Football will play. Next is the test paper of this chapter. Then what are you going to do? Somebody will tell identity. This exercise may 50% of the syllabus is identity only now. And I did 4 days to complete that exercise. You people are, no sir, no problem. Avni, not expected this way, not without studying and coming. And you, this girl, Brishti, what is your problem? Not studying. I don't need to tell anything. Mommy comes, not tell her to meet me, I'll tell her. Yeah. No. Identity is not learning and coming. I said no, you have to learn and come. Yes or no?
Yes.
Take out the books now. All of you. Get back to your place. I'm not happy with the performance, okay? All direct identity, anything complicated things, I could have made lot of complications and not keep. Instead of a plus b, I could have written 3a plus 2b. Then I could have asked this. Sarvesh, what is the problem with the identities to do? No time. Huh? What is the problem? School is still not reopened now. Yes. It's reopened. So you have time now. I'm not telling full day we can learn. Okay. Let's come to Cartesian coordinates. Online people, how much you got? I did not ask. Really, how many correct?
So I got 8.5.
8.5. There is a half identity also is there.
No. The 7th question I didn't get.
Yeah. Viman, how many marks you got?
Sir, 6.
6. And Anshul, how many you got?
8.
8. 3. 3 or 8?
8.
Sanmitra, how many you got?
9.
9. I asked all the parents I wanted to meet. You did not bring parents to meet. Okay. Chalo, listen. Okay, now I have asked you to do the exercise 3.1. Questions done? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Not done. Yes, done. Okay. Count in second question. Okay. Done. Now, then what is done? Okay. Read, please don't. Yeah, Dia, read the answer you wrote in the first question. Huh? Read the question.
How could you describe the position of the table of lamp on your study table to another person?
What is the meaning of that one? You have to describe. Describe means what? Describe. Tell me what did you write? What? What?
The lamp was kept at a position of AB. The distance of AB is 6 meters, and the
Lamp is AB. Position of lamp is AB. Show me. Who? She made a figure or not? And AB is the lamp. AB is the lamp out. Then what is not lamp was kept at the no? What did you write? What did you write? Huh? Show me. What did you write? Show. Where? Not written. Take out. Where? Not written. Rami, where did you write? Go home and get ready. You, what did you write? What did you write? I'm drawing it that they have to draw and I know how to do. What did you write? Drawing. Who said to draw your table got exactly y axis? Yes. Huh? Not written. Very good. You? Huh? Read. Able? Huh? How did you get this from where you copied from somewhere? My friend said, who is that friend? My school friend. Who asked you to go and ask the school friend? Rohan, what did you write? I didn't do. Very good. So that energy is gone. I could have sent message to every parent. Homework not done. There is a table is there. Let's say this is the table top. There is a point is there that way. Let's say P is the position. Length is a length of the table is AB. Let's say my table is of length. How many meters?
10.
Okay. 10 meters. 10 meter long table is there. Table is 10 meter. Do you know what is 10 meter? From where to where, you know? This is itself is only 2 or 2.5 meters away in my view. Your room may not be length of 10 meter, okay? So, table of length, let's say maximum 2 meter or 1 meter, 1.5 meter. This much only maybe your table will be there now. Okay, let's say 1 meter or 100 centimeter length. Breadth is equal to, let's say, a 75 centimeter, anything you think. Okay, then length is denoted by AB, breadth is denoted by, you can write this way. A rectangle you can draw, that's enough. A, B, C, D. Okay, suppose if the table lamp is over here. Okay, so it's a position of it is how many meters? Okay, how many centimeters? Let's say 80 centimeter. And this is how much? Okay, 65 centimeter. Any measurement even. So therefore, the lamp is at a point of 65 centimeter from the breadth and at a distance of 80 centimeter from the that much you have to write. Okay, the table is in the form of rectangle ABCD, where AB is equal to, you decide what is the desired. Okay, is equal to 100 centimeter. I have taken this is 75 centimeter. Therefore, the point P is the lamp, position of the lamp. Okay, lamp this much distance I took as how much 100 centimeter, and this one I cannot take 80 centimeter because breadth is how much 75. So I can take it as let's say 60 centimeter. Otherwise, this has to be increased. Therefore, then from the length AB, from the length of AB, the lamp is at the position 60 meter away, 60 centimeter away from AB, and this one, which one? From the breadth wise, it is 65 centimeter. Understood or not? Horizontal distance is 65 centimeter and vertical distance is equal to how much? 60 centimeter. Coordinate form they did not ask to write. Understood all of you? Everyone, you can write yourself. Respond. Okay, so you have to give the measurements and write it yourself. Not now. Next class you have to write that, bring it. Hello? Actually, writing everyday coordinate down. Second question. Street plan. Okay, read.
I
Arya.
have not, I have just gone.
Reading also doesn't know. I have
One question. Street city has two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. These two roads are along the north-south direction and east-west direction. All the other streets of the city run parallel to these roads and are 200 meters apart. There are about 5 streets in each direction. Using 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meters. Draw a model of the city on your notebook. Represent the roads or streets by single line. There are many cross streets in your model. A particular cross street is made by 2 streets, one running in the north-south direction and another in the east-west direction. Each cross street is referred to in the following manner. The second street running in the north-south direction and fifth in the east-west direction meet at some crossing. Then we will call this cross street 2, 5 using the convention. Find how many cross streets can be referred to as 4, 3. How many cross streets can be referred to as 3, 4.
So what is the final answer? How many cross streets are there? 3, 4, 3. Did you find out? 1 or 2? How many? What happened? Okay now? Then please study and come now. Some problem with the Gamni and Avni's friend both are not studying. What is the problem? No need to study. What are the holidays now? No holidays. School started. Huh? Holidays only now. Everything open your mouth and speak now. If holidays or not. For cooking and all you do at home. Yes or no? I will tell you. You are doing the cooking. Sometimes you do, very less time to do. No, mommy doesn't cook all. She could. Very less time. So less time you can study also now. Study time you don't have. Then. And you time to fight with brother only. That's much time you have. Then what do you do at home? I don't know. She's saying I don't know what I'm doing. So now first is there is a crossroad north-south one. Rohan. Yes, sir. You also, there is a north-south this way. This is the road. North-south, that's the center. Another one is what?
East-west.
East-west. Is around at the center. Then there are
5 streets.
5 streets to each side now.
Yes.
1 centimeter you have to draw this way. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. My place is not there. Okay. Have you followed this page? The road is running. Now, next is there. This is the way it is coming. Now, what is the marking you have to do it? First one is what? 2, 5 now. 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. The point comes as 4, 3. Next one is how much? 3, 4. 1. This is the 1, 2, 3. These are the crossroads. To mark this one, it's so difficult. No? Are you followed now? How many points are there? Means counting only coordinates. They just only to show how to mark the coordinate. That only. Understood now?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay. No problem. No? You can draw. If you are not sitting, I'll tell mommy not to no more practices. Yes. Next is we discuss coordinate of a point, origin, all these things are done. Yes or no? What do you mean by abscissa? You followed? Sure. What do you mean by abscissa? Abscissa. Stand. Not open the book. This all we discussed or not?
Yes.
What do you mean by Africa? X-axis, wrong. X coordinate. What is the meaning of x-axis? Horizontal line. Coordinate means a point. Okay, horizontal line. Did you write all the Sakina? Oh, Tanika. Why don't you learn so complicated? It's all simple ones, Sakina. What do you mean by y coordinate? Ordinate. You want to write in the notebook? Sit down. So right now, that means volume is not taking an opening. Okay, x-axis means which line? Horizontal line. Y-axis means which line? Vertical line. They are meeting at the point. Origin. Okay, this divide the line into. Divide the plane into 4 quadrants. This plane is called Cartesian plane, coordinate plane, XY plane. These all you have to read and come, okay? Understood? Understood. Should I make you to write all these things? And you write what all these important things you write in the notebook. Then, not now at home. Rishti, you are not learning, not studying, you have to do. Okay, do start seriously doing. Yeah. Next is after this one. X was it one? Which one? In the first quadrant what? Both x and y are positive. And the second quadrant, minus. X positive. So quadrant you mark now. X is positive, y is negative. Third quadrant, both are minus. Fourth quadrant, x positive, y is negative. Do you know how to plot a point? Sure. If a point is on the x-axis, did you write this one? Right. When a point is on the x-axis, if a point is on the x-axis, the quadrants you mark is not now. You know, right? If a point is on the x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. The point is on the x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. That is, the point is x comma 0. Point is x comma 0. Should I repeat? If a point is on the x-axis, then its y coordinate is 0. That is, point is x comma 0. Did you write? If a point is on the x-axis, then its y coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 0. That is, the point is x comma 0. Oh. Point is x comma 0. Below right. If a point is on the y-axis, if a point is on the y-axis, point is on the y-axis. What is 0?
It's x.
Y-axis, it's x coordinate. X coordinate is 0.
That is
point is 0 comma y. 0 comma y. 0 comma y. Okay, written that also below right. Any point in the XY plane, any point in the XY plane is of the form what? X comma y, ordered pair XY. Is of the form ordered pair x form. X. What is the first value? Value of x. Second one, value of y. Should I make you to write? X coordinate is also known as abscissa. You can write yourself. And Y coordinate is also known as ordinate. Ordinate. Written. X coordinate is also known as abscissa. A-B-S-C-I-S-S-A. Y coordinate is also known as ordinate. Hope all of you followed. Nobody responds. Oh, very good. Learn and complete. Not happy. Some of you learn, some of you not learned and come. Simple ones only now. Is it very difficult? Next, one more thing, write down. X-axis and Y-axis does not belongs to any quadrant. X-axis and Y-axis does not belong to any quadrant. Are you followed? X-axis and Y-axis does not belong to any quadrant. Not followed. Rohan, do you know which is first quadrant? Yes, sir. X-axis belong to which quadrant? Is it in first quadrant or is it in second quadrant? Third, fourth, all the quadrants. Why? Why? This is first now. This is second now. This is third now. This is fourth. Okay, in which quadrant X-axis belongs to? First and fourth. This is not X-axis. Why only first and fourth? Why not here also? Why? So it does. Huh? Is X? It is X-axis is full. X-axis means this means only X-axis. This is achha, this is X dash O X dash X. Suhan, you were there in the last class now. X-axis is denoted by X dash X. Y-axis is denoted by Y dash or Y dash Y. This all we studied now. Positive, negative, positive. OX is positive, OY is positive, OX dash negative, OY dash. Forgot? Okay now? Okay. Now, tell me, 3,5 belongs to which coordinate? Are you sure? Why it is first coordinate? Both are positive. Sure now? I'm going to write 7 points. All of you write in which coordinate? Which quadrant? Okay, first one, -2, 7. Second one, 3, -8. Fast. Why turning pages? Who's that? Crying out? Rahi. Is that? Why turning the pages and not keep on going on? Fast. No, just 1, 2, 3, 4 or something. You know, no need to write in very detail. Done. Is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't know how to write. Okay, right now.
So it is
2.5, 2.5. It does not belong to any quadrant. You write does not belong. Completed. Those who completed standard. 16. Done. Still here one girl is absolutely one. That means, what is it? Hale, she, oh she, who she? I think what equal to right past now answer doesn't know where it belongs to. Random mistakes. Huh? Huh? So what is the problem? Who else? I comparing, cheating. No need to compare. Or those are only 3 people only done. Now look here. This is in Prishti, is it so difficult to find out? Dia also doesn't know. This is in which quadrant? X is negative, Y is positive, second. This is X is positive, Y 4. And keep quiet now. So same answer you write now. That is over now. Oh, there are 3 people said. Now this is what? Third. That is in first. Why none? Huh? I said people, this is wrong. Did I tell you this is wrong, Mr. Tuhan? I said there are mistakes now. Cheating. Next one.
Does it belong to any quadrant?
What?
X axis. Next one. First quadrant. This one. Y axis. This one. X axis. Third quadrant. X axis. Who got all correct? Somebody. Jitne kiya? What is the jitne kiya? Out of 10, how many did? 4. That's not belong. You have to write where it belongs. See? None. No, none. Okay. Understood all of you? Prishti, it's so difficult to identify when X is positive, Y is positive. It is in which quadrant? First quadrant. X is negative. Remember this concept. Remember, you people not revising plus, plus, minus, plus. This is what? Minus, minus. Then plus, minus. And if Y value is 0, it is on X axis. If X value is 0, it is on Y axis. Understood all of you?
Yes.
Okay, don't make mistake now. These are very easily you can score mark. At the same time, very easily you can lose the mark also. Either full or no. No step marking, okay? If you wrote this one, second quadrant means 0 mark. If you wrote third quadrant means full mark. Like this. Okay now, everyone. Now, listen, decimal and all, don't worry. Okay, if it is 2.5, it's coming anywhere it is positive, negative. So you know how to find out how to plot 3,4. Yes, how to plot 3,4. She said, yes, how to plot. Tell her. Loudly. First you draw x-axis, y-axis. Yes or no?
Yes.
And after that, it's not necessarily equal division and all, okay? X, x dash, y, y dash. Okay, this is the one. No, I can draw the quadrant this way also. Not that equally all 4 equal. This way also I can draw. Okay. Then I wanted to mark 3,4. Then speaking of 1, 2, 3, 4 equal. Okay.
Yes.
-1, -2.
Minus.
Don't need to. What is required that which will be written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I just write -1, -2 because it's 3,4. From here 3 and
then 4.
all of you followed.
Yes.
Graph paper. You know how to mark 3,4. Yes or no? Suhan, come here. Suhan, come here. Mark 3,0. Pen is there, no? Though that means you have to snatch my pen. Fast, fast. Don't know. Sure. Pakka. Correct. Okay. Rai, come here. Ah. How is the plot? I want to write over here. Okay, but be happy now plot. And you will write what? -1, -2. It's correct or wrong?
Yes.
Okay. All of you followed?
Yes.
Dear, you know now? Okay, dear, come here. Fast, 10 seconds only. Twenty seconds are over. Sure.
Yeah, sure.
Correct. But you took a lot of time. Okay, Prishti, come here. Chiti. Pass, go, this one. You tell her, mark somewhere. -2 is not there. She the first time -2 is not there. Sanika, come here. She's looking for -2. There are two places -2, no? So which -2 take? You know, give to pen to her. -2 means x-axis -2, y-axis 1. Then this one coming. No, from somewhere. Why I say throw? Take that butterfly and throw it. Are you followed, all of you?
Yeah.
Oh, Rohan, how are you? Okay, stand up. There is a point is marked over there. What is the coordinate of point B? So what is the abscissa of point B? What is the ordinate of point B? 4. All of you followed? Okay. What is the distance of the point B from x-axis? See, all others are equal. Very good. Distance of point B from y-axis. 3. Sit down. From y-axis is 3 units now. Okay. Sarvesh, what is the ordinate of Q?
Q. 5.
Huh? Where is Q? How is it? What is the coordinate? What is 5?
Y.
Q. What is the coordinate of Q is written there now?
Sorry.
Ordinate of Q. -2. What Y is coming? Then what is the observation? What is the abscissa of Q?
-2.
Minus?
-2.
Abscissa and ordinate everything same. This, do you know which is the point Q? This is the point Q. Are check now, this is Q. Okay, what is the abscissa of Q?
So -2.
Stand up. What is the abscissa of Q?
-1.
X coordinate is called abscissa. Y coordinate is called ordinate. Understood or not? Why are you making mistake then? Distance of Q from x-axis. Not my distance will be always positive 2 units.
2 units.
Distance of Q from y-axis 1 unit. Sarvesh, why is the confusion? Any point, you don't need to look over here also. Suppose a point R is given. Let's say -3, 5. What is the abscissa? -3. What is the ordinate? Device of confusion. Okay. All right. Okay. Take out the exercise. 3.2. All of you do it. So simple one. What happens? Any problem? Are you tell now? Exercise 3.2. All of you do. If you not completed, you have to do cross. It's a very simple one now. Easy one for me. Okay. Sanika, first question. Read loudly.
Okay, from the adjoining figure.
Which one she's from the she's all example.
Write the answer of each of the. What are the names of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any points in partition? So,
Answer.
horizontal is x-axis.
Horizontal line is x-axis. Vertical line is so you should write that way. Horizontal line is x-axis. Vertical line is y-axis. Rahi. Second part. One quadrant. For first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Yes. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Understood? Capital. Morning. What plus minus quadrant name only we are sign did not ask now. Okay. Next one. Write the name of the point the two lines intersect. Origin. All of you followed. Don't write one with quadrant, first, second, third, all four quadrants. All of you written? Completed? Now, okay, second question, see the figure and all of you find out, identify. Oh, graph paper also. Graph paper is coming. Who got all the answers? Done. Completed.
I did
Actually,
it.
yeah, very good. Also, the question paper don't write. Okay, choose letter.
I did it.
So the examination don't write the question paper and some also. Okay. Okay, now time over now. These girls not started. You find the tell me what the coordinator please let me hear. -5, how much will it be? Are you correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So you know how to do it. Chetan. Comma is not on the top. Hello. Okay, how to put comma. Okay, look here, all of you. You can do the classwork and homework of that exercise now. Simple, all together 10-15 minutes only needed. Okay, chalo, bye. Do it. I'm really bye, she's doing me.
So what is the homework?
This exercise 3.2. Okay, chalo, bye to all.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Next class I will discuss. Okay, and go on now. How are you? Come with your sister. Come with your sister. Come with your sister. I'm here.